funny stuff. I got funny pictures. I don't have stories, but I got a lot of videos.
Talofa lava, my name is Faatoese. I am of Samoan and Tuvaluan descent. I'm a first-year junior doctor here in the Hutt Valley, and I studied at the University of Otago. There was no real intent on a career pathway. My mum and dad worked at Cadbury factory for about 40 years, both of them. And they put in the hard yards both day and night to make sure that we had the education to be successful in whatever career path that we were going into. So I studied at the University of Otago, kind of fresh 18-year-old, not knowing what to do. Just kind of followed friends and my peers who went to university, just went to be a ka'a and just kind of play around and see what I liked. After graduating from medicine from the university, people don't straight away become fully registered doctors. We got to sit at least 2 years of doing different rotations. Thus far, I've gone through medicine in the hospital, orthopedics. I'll go back through medicine and we'll complete a fourth one to end my first year. But after this 2 years are completed, you can continue to be a junior doctor, or you can decide to kind of progress further to being a registrar and training specifically in a special field. As with anything else, the support of family is critical to be able to push through. So this is my lovely partner, Ivana, the mother to my beautiful 5-year-old son, Leon. And being a father definitely changes your perspective at the age of 21 on what's more important in life.
My parents sent me to Auckland after school to go get a degree, and I came home with a baby and a boyfriend.
At the University of Otago, there's a number of great support systems and networks. The Pacific Island Centre itself, which kind of cater for all of the Pacific students at the university. And then secondly, Pursue. They were the ones that helped us with all we needed to do during study, but also kind of the outside life, even becoming a young father, providing the tutorials and the much needed guidance.
There was never really any doubt that we were going to give up our studies and then just be parents, because I think for a lot of people, like especially for my family, there was like a lot of disappointment because I hadn't yet finished my studies. And yeah, I would say you can do both. You don't have to limit yourself, and having a kid doesn't limit your opportunities if you're a young parent. Yeah, it's been hard. We don't see him a whole lot because he's always busy, and before that he was always busy with uni. But I mean, we know he's doing a lot of great work out there, and like we hear it all the time, but people always look up to him as an inspiration, so it's always nice to know that the work that he's doing is wider than him.
We want to be able to show that we belong here. We're not just factory workers where we can be able to do anything that we'd like and do anything that we can dream of. I guess as a Pasefika person, I'd want to be in that community of where our Pasefika people are living, whether it be somewhere in South Auckland or somewhere here in the Hutt Valley or Porirua. That's probably my future aspiration. There's a large number of Pasefika doctors coming through now. We want to be visible, and I guess it doesn't stop there as just being, oh, you've got a doctor as a title, but we want to be pushing ourselves more towards to be at the table, to be able to make that change and influence that kind of perspective for our future.